Good morning / afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome to the channel if you're new. And in this video, we'll talk about Jasmy again. I skipped the day of Jasmy updating yesterday because I felt like I was just going to repeat myself. All right, basically what I said on Thursday morning is still very, very similar to what I was going to say yesterday. So I don't want to just release these videos on Jasmy. I know the Jasmy community overall appreciates them. Not everybody, but that's part of the deal. But I will not upload videos that are completely the same just for the views. All right. So I think now we actually need to cover it again. We had some nice momentum Thursday evening actually, which I have not covered yet. So wanted to talk about that. Wanted to talk about the possibilities here. And which move I expect on the short term. All right, so that's what we'll do. So let's get right into it. First of all, if you look at Jasmy right now, like if you zoom out, there's not much going on. Technically, I would say we're still trending down after that massive bearish breakout we had below 2.5 cents. However, I do think there's a bit of a chance of mean reversion here. So in general, I've turned slightly more bullish on Jasmy. And the main reason for that is that I have turned more bullish on the markets, all right? I do think we need to kind of see some favorable closes from Bitcoin over the course of this weekend to really confirm some bullish momentum here. But I have at least turned more bullish than the last time I covered Jasmy, when Bitcoin was still down here, all right? So Bitcoin there technically was also still bearish. I would say technically Bitcoin right now is more neutral, which is a bullish development from being bearish. So, all right, that obviously has implications for Jasmy as well, because Jasmy, and some of you might agree with this, some of you might disagree. I think most of you will agree. But Jasmy, historically, like this has been a great performer, all right? Jasmy can move. Jasmy can gain a ton of momentum in a short period of time, break out and rally a lot. The last time we saw that, for example, and that went super quick, was right here. Like we got one breakout, and before you know it, we're up 34%, and you could have banked a huge profit on that. So that's something Jasmy can do. I think Jasmy fundamentally is also one of the only projects in the top 100 where I would say, well, that's actually a coin that I would be comfortable holding for the long term. They have a great market maker. They're the biggest coin in Japan. They're actually developing things. So $1 billion market cap, just like this is all long-term talk, all right? But that is important, all right? Because if there is some sort of long-term potential, people are more eager, or people feel more comfortable buying it right now, because they'll tell themselves, and I think that's false, but they'll tell themselves that, all right, well, if I'm wrong, I'll just hold it and I'll eventually cash out. I don't think that's a great mentality. I do think that's true, but still. So therefore, if you compare Jasmy with the market right now, I think there's mean reversion to do. Most altcoins have rebounded much more than Jasmy, and Jasmy hasn't yet. So therefore, look, last couple of times I said it's going to be difficult to break above 2.5 cents, so 0.025. I think we have a chance. But the thing is, and I hammer on this a lot when I'm talking about Jasmy, because for Jasmy it's such a leading indicator. The thing is, we need momentum. And we are slowly gaining momentum here. As you can see, it's slowly going up here with a positive CVD. So this is bullish. But this needs to increase more, and I think technically we need to get a breakout. I would say 2.3 cents is the main level to watch. If that level breaks, I will heavily consider buying Jasmy because of the mean reversion potential of Jasmy and the momentum gain potentially if that's there, because right now the momentum is still relatively low, I would say. But that combination, I think if we're able to break above 2.3 and Bitcoin stays relatively bullish, like 2.5 cents is still my first price target, but then I do think we have a good chance to break above that as well. So yeah, those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.